Fresh air is an essential part of a healthy and comfortable home. For homeowners in Middleburg, proper ventilation can make a big difference in maintaining indoor air quality, reducing humidity, and keeping living spaces more enjoyable. If your current windows are old, stuck, or poorly placed, you may not be getting the airflow your home needs. That's where new window installation comes in. Choosing the right window styles and ensuring proper installation can transform your Middleburg residence into a fresher, more comfortable living environment. Why ventilation matters in Middleburg homes. Middleburg's warm, humid climate can create challenges for homeowners. Without proper airflow, homes are more susceptible to problems like excess humidity, leads to mold and mildew growth, damaging walls, furniture, and air quality. Stale air. Without circulation, indoor spaces can feel stuffy and uncomfortable. Higher energy bills. Over-reliance on air conditioning when natural ventilation isn't available drives up costs. By investing in windows designed for ventilation, you can reduce these issues while enjoying a healthier home. Window styles that improve airflow. Not all windows are created equal when it comes to ventilation. Certain styles are particularly effective for homes in Middleburg. Casement windows. Hinged on the side, these open fully outward to catch breezes and direct airflow inside. Awning windows. Hinged at the top, they allow fresh air in even during light rain, a perfect solution for Florida's frequent showers. Double-hung windows. With both sashes operable, you can open the top and bottom simultaneously for continuous air circulation. Sliding windows. Easy to use and great for wide openings, they provide steady airflow in larger rooms. The right style depends on your home's layout and where ventilation is most needed. Strategic window placement. Proper placement is just as important as the style itself. Professional installation ensures your windows are positioned to take full advantage of Middleburg's natural breezes. Cross ventilation. Placing windows on opposite walls allows air to flow straight through your home. Higher placement. Installing windows higher on the wall helps release warm air that rises. Room-specific solutions. Kitchens and bathrooms benefit from awning or casement windows that provide ventilation while maintaining privacy. Strategic planning during installation maximizes airflow while complementing your home's design. Added benefits of better ventilation beyond comfort. Installing windows that encourage airflow delivers multiple benefits. Improved indoor air quality. Fresh air helps clear out allergens, odors, and pollutants. Lower cooling costs. Relying on natural ventilation reduces the need for constant air conditioning. Healthier living. Reduced humidity lowers the risk of mold and improves respiratory comfort. Comfortable living spaces. A well-ventilated home feels fresher and more inviting year-round. These benefits make new window installation a smart investment for long-term health and savings. Why professional installation matters. Even the best windows won't perform as intended without expert installation. Tight seals. Prevent unwanted drafts or leaks while still allowing smooth operation. Correct alignment. Ensures windows open and close properly to maximize airflow. Durability. Proper installation extends the lifespan of your windows and keeps them functioning effectively. Local expertise. Professionals understand Middleburg's climate and can recommend the best solutions for your home. By working with experienced installers, you ensure your windows deliver reliable performance for years to come. Final thoughts. For Middleburg homeowners, window installation is more than just an aesthetic upgrade, it's an opportunity to dramatically improve your home's ventilation and overall comfort. From choosing the right styles like casement or double-hung windows to strategically placing them for maximum airflow, thoughtful installation can transform your living spaces. With better ventilation, you'll enjoy fresher air, lower humidity, reduced energy costs, and a healthier environment for your family. If your current windows are holding you back, now is the perfect time to invest in new installations that make your Middleburg residence more comfortable and efficient year-round.